Is your external component the Wpxm library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Xerox links. Avoid long manual edits for Wpxm library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Wpxm library, the core execution library for specialized Xerox printer drivers. It manages the localized translation of document data into the Xerox PCL and PostScript format. If missing, the Xerox Print Experience app will report printer communication error, preventing any physical output to the connected hardware. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Xerox installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Xerox is the fastest way to restore Wpxm library DLL and get the program running again. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Wpxm library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Wpxm library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Wpxm library documentation. If this fix repaired Wpxm library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.